So we have 3 exponent x over 18 equals 15. So our equation becomes 3 exponent x equals 18 times 15. Alright, so you're going to have 3 exponent x equals 9 times 2 times 3 times 5. Alright, so you're going to have 3 exponent x equals, now 9 is the same as 3 exponent 2, okay? Alright, now let's group all the 3's at one side. So we have 3 exponent 2 times 3 times 2 times 5. Now 3 is the same as 3 exponent 1, okay? So let's apply the first law of indices here. So a exponent m times a exponent c should give us a exponent m plus c. So you're going to have 3 exponent x equals 3 exponent 2 plus 1 times 2 times 5. So you're going to have 3 exponent x equals 3 exponent 3 times 2 times 5. Now let's divide here by 3 exponent 3, here by 3 exponent 3. So this and this will cancel. Alright, now we have 3 exponent x over 3 exponent 3 equals 2 times 5. Alright, so let's apply the quotient rule here. So a exponent m over a exponent c should give us a exponent m minus c. And this gives us 3 exponent x minus 3 equals 2 times 5. Now let's apply logarithms here. So we say log 3 exponent x minus 3 equals log 2 times 5. Alright, now let's apply the product rule here. So we say log a times b should give us log a plus log b. So you're going to have log 3 exponent x minus 3 equals log 2 plus log 5. Alright, now let's apply the logarithm definition here. Okay, so you're going to have log a exponent n base b equals n log a base b. Alright, so our equation becomes x minus 3 times log 3 equals log 2 plus log 5. Alright, let's divide here by log 3, here by log 3, and then here by log 3. So this and this will cancel. So now we have x minus 3 equals log 2 over log 3 plus log 5 over log 3. Alright, now let's apply the change of base formula here. So we say log a over log b equals log a base b. So this gives us x minus 3 equals log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3. So you're going to have x equals log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 plus 3. And this is our answer.